Both adults and children love and enjoy relaxing, soothing, warm baths. Adding essential oils and Epsom salts into the water of your bath, things like lavender, is very therapeutic for the whole body and mind. We have a large glass jar filled with bath bombs in our bathroom so that we can drop one into the bath at any time. The fizzy bubbles, essential oils, and beneficial minerals from the bath bombs are really a treat for the senses. A great family project and also wonderful for homeschoolers is to make bath bombs together. So let's get started. Many bath bombs that you may find at the store contain harmful ingredients, so we customize our own at home and fill them with healthy things. Let's learn about some healthy ingredients that we can use during our bath time. To make a healthy bath bomb, you will need 1 cup of baking soda, half a cup of citric acid. Now, citric acid isn't bad for us, but when working with just citric acid alone, you want to wear some protective gloves and some eye goggles would be great. 1/4 cup of corn starch. Add these in a stainless steel bowl. Then add in 1/4 cup of Epsom salt. And then mix that all together and add 1/4 cup of oil. This could be any oil of your choice. Sweet almond oil works wonderfully. Now to soothe the senses and add in some therapeutic benefits, let's add in some essential oils. We love using DoTerra, but you can use any oils of your choice and the scents of your choice. Lavender is a wonderful one. Rose oil is wonderful. So just go down the list and see what you love most. We like to add dried flowers to our mix too, like lavender flowers or rose petals. How about adding in some color? Now we don't want any harmful colors added in, but some that will be therapeutic to our body. So we could use beetroot powder, which gives the red tones. We could use earth clays, like red clays or green clays. We could use turmeric powder, which would give an orange color. Curry powder would give a yellow color. Spiralina is green. Matcha powder is green. Cocoa powder has a chocolatey color. Hibiscus powder gives like a rosy pink. Activated charcoal powder gives a black tone. After you have all your ingredients set, then you're going to need a mold to make the bath bomb. Circle molds are easiest to use, and I like to use stainless steel ones. If you love to bake, you might have some other types of molds that you might want to make for your bath bombs. So just be creative and have fun with it. Come up with your own ideas. I love doing creative projects with my niece, so we made some bath bombs and she absolutely loved it. So next, you'll get to watch how we did it. Have fun! Hey Tallulah, what are you making today in the kitchen? This looks really cool.
Some bath bombs.
Bath bombs? And what do you have in there so far?
So far, I have a half a cup of baking soda.
1 cup of baking soda actually. Half a cup of citric acid we haven't added in. We're going to do that when we put our gloves on. 1/4 corn starch, 1/4 Epsom salt, 1/4 cup oil of your choice. What oil do we use? We use fractionated coconut oil, or we could use almond oil or olive oil. Ready for the next step?
Yes.
Mica mix, pink and gold. And Pop-Up's in the background watching a movie, so we have some background noise. But we are making bath bombs. You like the colors, Tallulah?
Yeah.
Okay. So next step is we have the sugar sparkles and our mold, our circle mold, and we're going to fill it, and we're going to do 2 colors. Oh my goodness, the colors match your top. We didn't even notice, don't they? Pink and gold. So put gold in first, and we have a few little sprinkles on the bottom of the mold so that they go to the top of the bath bomb. The pink and that. Okay, I'll help you. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's so pretty. Ooh. Good job. Good job. Okay, we're gonna make more.
Okay, put the bath bomb in. Yes, we made it right! We made it! Perfect! Made one. Turn it over here, Laura. I can't do this actually working. Super cool.